Welcome to the Snack Pack Make and Take Camp. Today we're going to make granola bars and crunchy apple roll-ups. Inside your clover crate you will find syrup, peanut butter, vanilla, an Iowa State spatula, a wheat tortilla, an apple, Rice Krispies, oats, and pretzels. To make the crunchy apple roll-up, start with half of an apple. Then chop the apple up into small pieces. After that, roll out your tortilla and spread a tablespoon of peanut butter all over. Spread your apple pieces over top of the peanut butter in an even layer. After that, take 2 tablespoons of the rice cereal and sprinkle it over top. Now, roll up the tortilla tightly, tucking with your fingers. Then cut it in half. To make the granola bars, you're going to start with your pretzels, about 20 of them, and you're going to crush them with your fingers. Now combine the oats and cereal and crushed pretzels into a large bowl. Now stir it all together. Now you're going to put your syrup, all of the syrup that you're given, into a microwave-safe bowl. You can use your spatula that was provided and scrape it all out. After that, stir the peanut butter into your syrup. The last thing to add into the mixture is the vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Then mix it all together. Now add the syrup mixture into your oat mixture. Now stir until all the dry ingredients are completely covered. Pour the mixture into a prepared pan, whether with parchment paper or sprayed with cooking spray, and you're going to push the mixture firmly into the pan using more wax paper or the back of the spoon. Allow the mixture to cool completely and then cut into bars and enjoy.